Hair loss is one of the most common problems worldwide, affecting 1/3 of the population. Everyone loses 100 hair strands each day. It is a natural phenomenon, so there is no need to worry over a few follicles falling off. There could be many causes of hair loss, which include diet, mineral deficiency, medications, stress, pollution, and genetics. Putting on a cap, hat, or helmet could also be another reason in men. Here's our list of 20 solutions to help reduce or deal with hair loss. Regularly wash your hair with mild shampoo. Regular hair washing is a part of preventing hair loss by the way of keeping hair and scalp clean. Doing so, you are lowering the risk of infections and dandruff that may lead to hair breakage or loss. Moreover, clean hair gives the impression of more volume. Vitamin for hair loss. Vitamins are not only healthy for overall well-being, but also good for your hair. Vitamin encourages healthy production of sebum in the scalp. Vitamin E betters blood circulation in the scalp to help hair follicles remain productive, and vitamin B helps hair maintain its healthy color. Enrich diet with protein. Eating lean meats, fish, soy, or other proteins promotes hair health and in turn helps curb hair loss. Scalp massage with essential oils. Those who have been experiencing hair loss for quite some time must massage the scalp with essential oil for a couple of minutes. It helps your hair follicles remain active. You can add lavender and an almond or sesame oil. Avoid brushing wet hair. When hair is wet, it is in its weakest state. So avoid brushing wet hair because the chances of hair loss increases. But if you must comb wet hair, use a very wide-toothed comb. Also avoid brushing hair too frequently, as doing so can injure hair and increase loss. Use your fingers to undo tangles, not a comb or brush. Garlic juice, onion juice, or ginger juice. Rub one of the juices on your scalp, leave it overnight and wash it out in the morning. Do it regularly for a week and you will see noticeable result. Keep yourself hydrated. The hair shaft comprises 1/4 water, so drink at least 4 to 8 cups of water in a day to stay hydrated and for the growth of healthy hair. Rub green tea into your hair. Studies have shown that rubbing green tea into hair may help curb hair loss problem. All you need to do is brew 2 bags of green tea in 1 cup of water, leave to cool and thereafter, apply it to your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly after an hour. To see results, practice this regularly for a week to 10 days. Know what is bad for hair. If you want to keep hair healthy, you must know how to take care of them. Avoid rubbing your hair dry with a towel. Rather, let hair dry naturally. Please like, share and subscribe to Everyday Infotainment. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment.